Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to talk to you about what you're going to pitch this summer because it's the end of March. And I know that sounds weird, but you're talking 4 months for magazines, 2 months for regional publications. Of course, if anything's breaking news, you can watch those videos too, but start to think about June, graduation, especially now, like with COVID, what's going to happen? You've got Father's Day, you're starting summer vacations. Especially with COVID, we've really got to tie COVID still into everything. July, you've got 4th of July. Again, summer vacations, travel, what's happening in businesses? Are businesses starting to go back? What's happening with the pandemic? They said we could be done by this time, but you have to think ahead because you've got to pitch this so far in advance. What is your cutting edge thoughts and ideas? And then you come to August, and August is the slowest news month. It is the easiest time to get media coverage. So make sure you've got some plans for August, but you can start to talk about back to school. What is that going to look like in 2021? Real estate agents can talk about what the market is looking like. If you're an insurance expert, you can talk about things like that. HR, there's so many different industries that you can tie your expertise to this summer. So that's what I want you to think about. What are you going to pitch the media now for the summer? And if you want to learn more, get our free blueprint at captivateandcashin.com/blueprint. Check that out. Start pitching the media and definitely let me know your success stories. I can't wait to hear all about them.